Came here to party, I'm not gonna lie. So call up somebody, cause I ain't got the time. Nah, nah, I'm feeling myself in the best way. I'm gonna pretend it's my birthday. Got all of my friends going crazy.
Hey guys, so Jasmine and Helen are here in Songdo, so I'm taking them to one of my favorite Japanese restaurants in Korea, and it's in a Hanok style restaurant. So let me show you guys. Today is going to be a day filled with Songdo stuff, so stay tuned. So you guys have seen this restaurant in my vlog before. They're actually a chain and they are located in Hongdae as well, and I think Hapjeong. But I wanted to show you guys this one in Songdo because it's like a Hanok style and it's very beautiful. And my family comes to Gyeongbokgung a lot. It's the same chain owner. So Gyeongbokgung Patjinhang, which is the Chinese one, Gyeongbokgung is the Korean cuisine, and Sapporo, which is Japanese cuisine, is all run by the same company, and they're all very like Hanok style course meals. Yeah, my family, we absolutely love Gyeongbokgung, and it's basically the only restaurant that we eat at with my dad like all the time. Today I really wanted to show my friends around Songdo, and I'm super excited to tour them around and be a tour guide for the day.
Hi! Finally made it! Yes!
This one's my favorite. We're gonna take photos now. Yeah.
We break up every weekend. Was it gonna be like that? Oh, I just wanted you so bad. Playing with my mind, was that your intention? Cause I'm missing you.
We're going to a bar now.
Cause I'm missing you.
I miss you, New York. Look how pretty this drink is, you guys. So good. Got a coconut croffle. It's so vibey here. Good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to the Conrad Hotel. My friend Helen is staying there for a couple nights before she leaves Korea permanently. I'm crying. Helen, I'm gonna miss you so much. So yeah, this is gonna be the last time you guys see Helen in my vlogs in Korea until she comes to visit, of course. But yeah, she's staying at the Conrad Hotel before her flight, so I am going to go there and spend some time with her for the last couple of days here in Korea. See you guys at Conrad.
I think I've fallen for you, and I don't know why. I don't know why. You love that summer rain in mid-July, mid-July.
gelato. Got the new MacBook Pro 14-inch. It's officially dead, you guys. Goodbye.
I spent too much time on us, and I think you got me stuck.
And I need your help because it's the first copy of the straw, so I need some Macbook.
And you know that just ain't easy for me. Oh baby, won't you come to my town? Last time around you ain't come to my house. Stay for a while, me my
A samoyed cafe, and it's a lot bigger than I thought. Oh my gosh, look how big it is.
summer rain on the window.
Oh, so cute.
Watch the time float on. Kool-Aid blows a memento as I fall behind.
So cute.
I'm so sorry for dreaming about the future. Maybe I'll be better when we're old enough.
We are at Hongdae Shopping Street now. Wow, it's poppin'.
Hey, I'm sorry for dreaming about the future. Take apart all the good things, stripped away what's there to do. So many times I tried, but I just don't remember. I'm so sorry for dreaming about the future.
way to the airport so that Helen can be sent out. Bye bye, Helen. This is the last time you'll see Helen in my vlogs.
No, when you gonna leave?
Yeah, until New York. Cry so much.
I miss you.
Bye. I'll see you in May. Bye. Safe flights.